Breakfast.
I believe this piece of furniture was fine until your little breakfast adventure with Angela Del Vecchio.
It's perfect. We'll put it between lunch and breakfast.
Milk.
God, isn't this exciting? I earned this. I wiped tables for it. I steamed... Hey, here we go.
Oh, there's no room for milk.
Chicken.
Room, and I had that chicken, you know, where you poke it and all the butter squirts out.
And there was a rotisserie with the spinning chicken.
Appetizer.
It's supposed to be that small. It's a pre-appetizer. The French call it... Create a new appetizer called Pigs in Ross.
Hungry.
Anybody hungry? I've got a Klondike soup.
I honestly don't know if I'm hungry or horny.
And stay out of my freezer.
Water.
I thought it'd be really cool to see what happens with these water balloons.
It's not the baby, is it?
It's just the water breaking. Calm down, will you?
Water?
Kitchen.
I don't know. It's just not the same without Mom in the kitchen.
Because it's in a slightly different time zone than the kitchen?
Drink.
Listen, you want to go get a drink or something?
Yeah.
If you didn't pour the coffee, no one would have anything to drink.
Cheese.
Your tomato soup, your grilled cheese fixins, and your family-sized bag of Funyuns.
We ordered a fat-free crust with extra cheese.
Restaurant.
Try to, run out of the restaurant before she's actually finished the note.
What was with the dishes?
Oh, I want her to think I might be in a restaurant.
Bread.
It's not fair. It's my money.
I know, but it's what Brad wanted. With the bread with the hole in the middle, a la me.
Butter.
Say the impressions you made in the butter left little to the imagination. In fact, I'd very much like to butter your head.
Cook.
Thanksgiving.
Okay, I tell you what. How about if I cook dinner at my place? I'll make it just like Mom's.
Like the first time I had to make dinner for myself after Carol left me.
Delicious.
Oh, really? So why was I busting my ass to make this delicious Thanksgiving dinner?
Remember a time I smelled such a delicious combination of okay, smells.
Taste.
Daiquiri, is there too much rum in here? Just a second. Hope you find